So, hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very useful tool that is used a lot in carpentry while joining two woods together. It's called a crown stapler. It's not a normal stapler. It's special because it uses a special kind of pin that is called a crown pin. It has three different parameters that we need to define. First, the wire thickness, which is determined by the gauge. For example, it can be 16 gauge or 18 gauge. If it is 16 gauge, it means it's a thicker wire. If it's 18 gauge, it means it's a narrower wire. A thicker gauge or thicker wire is definitely better for providing more strength in your structure when you want to join two different wood pieces. But it will definitely create more visibility and aesthetically, if this is aesthetically not preferable, definitely you have to consider using a smaller gauge. And then the next parameter is the width of the pin, which also means the crown and the crown size. And this you can choose to be larger, narrow, medium, or large. And another very important parameter is the length of the legs. If the legs are longer, the nails are gonna go deeper into the wood, and probably the joint is gonna be stronger. So all these parameters are important while determining the nail. And the nail gun basically does nothing, just shooting that nail into your wood, so that two wood pieces are connected together. And that is done by the help of, it can be any power source like battery, or it can be even manual, and mostly it can be used in industrial setting. You can use because there are pneumatic sources available. So compressed air you can use to just use to provide input energy. And you just need to provide you just need to press on the trigger, and it's gonna shoot a nail into your material. Now that said, let's see how the schematics looks like. So here is a schematic where we can see on the rightmost portion of the figure, we can see an air plug where the pneumatic source is connected, and it provides compressed air to pressurize it so that we can utilize in our application. And then there is a trigger, which is very important, and if we press on the trigger, it's gonna shoot a nail on the material where we intend to staple. And we definitely have to check whether we have enough staples inside, or the pins that we just talked about in the previous slides. And we have to have enough and the appropriate size of the staples for our application. And oftentimes there is also a safety mechanism that ensures that we don't accidentally shoot the staple on our hands or finger instead. Now in the last part, I'm just gonna show a crown stapler here that I have been using. This is on the tip. We can see from where the staple pins actually comes out after we press on the trigger. So this is the place, and inside this we have the staples.